Hi and welcome to a video presentation from EasyBarTricks.com. In this video I will show you a trick where you can make two matches dance on the rim of a glass just by playing a little bit of magic music. If you want to make a bet out of it, bet or challenge someone to make the matches move without touching the glass and without touching the matches and without blowing at the matches. The technique is to introduce a second glass. It has to be an identical glass and it needs to have the exact same amount of water or wine in it. And you will use this second glass as an instrument to play for the matches. And the way that you play a glass like an instrument is to dip your finger in the water or wine and then rub your finger around the rim of the glass like this. That will produce sound waves, and the sound waves will transfer to the other glass, and that will make that glass vibrate, and that will make the matches dance. So watch what happens when I start playing the second glass. Just like that, and the matches have moved just by playing a little bit of music. If you like this trick, be sure to stop by our website. It's EasyBarTricks.com. We have a huge collection of bar and magic tricks. All the tricks are completely free and presented in video. Also rate this video if you liked it. See you at EasyBarTricks.com.